In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer your domain from GoDaddy to Squarespace quickly and easily. First, log in to your Squarespace account and navigate to Settings. Then select Domains. Click Use a domain I own and type in your GoDaddy domain. Then click Continue. Next, select Transfer Domain. You'll need an authorization code from GoDaddy to verify your ownership. Log into your GoDaddy account, request the code, and enter it in Squarespace. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer. The process usually takes a few hours up to a few days, so avoid making changes to your domain settings during this time. And that's it. Once the transfer is complete, your domain will be fully functional on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick web tutorials.